What is Zot Wheels? Zot Wheels is an automated bike sharing program developed by UC Irvine's Transportation and Distribution Services. It is the first automated self-service bike share program in the entire UC system. In fact, UCs have begun modeling their bike sharing programs after ours as sort of a way to be more environmentally friendly. Mission. Zotwheel's main mission is to offer an alternative to driving for faculty, staff, and students for short-distance commutes. In addition, having people share bikes on campus promotes community building and encourages healthy living. For example, by using bike sharing systems, there would be less air pollution and more exercise for everyone. There are several health and environmental benefits associated with Zotwheels. For one, bike sharing decreases the amount of carbon footprint on campus by offering an alternative mode of transportation. In fact, 1 pound of tailpipe emissions are saved for every mile that someone rides a bike instead of driving. The overall design of the Zotwheels bikes are suitable for what the project needs. Proposal for a touch user interface for renting out the bikes will both revamp the experience and update the system for a more modern experience. Shown in this map are the current locations of Zotwheel stations, which we found to be placed efficiently and effectively. They cover the main junction points on campus. Information technology is a trending field in our society today, which is why we decided to promote the usage of a mobile application. With this application, students will feel closer to the UCI community. Our design includes 5 major functions. One important function that we would like to note is the unlock function, which avoids expensive compliments and allows all different bikes to be used. This allows users to contribute to the environment by sharing bikes with others on campus. Lastly, a leaderboard and achievement system would be a great way for people to interact. There are potential risks and problems that may come up with the Zotwheels program. For one, shuttles may tend to be early or delayed, and sometimes they're not efficient or they become too crowded. Another evaluation of the Zotwheels program is that currently not many people are using the bike sharing system and there's not enough advertisement. Another problem that does exist right now is that the bike route on campus is restricted in small route choices, including Ring Road and the times that bikes are allowed to be ridden. After evaluating the Zotwheels program, we've come up with some improvements and solutions. We may keep the old bike sharing system. Perhaps we may set more bike stations on campus, collect more bikes to have them be readily available for students on campus. On top of the existing bikes, we will purchase 100 more at $50 each. Of the mobile application will cost $300 for development. And last but not least, the improvement/maintenance of the stations will cost $300 a station, and the 10 stations will be a total of $3,000. Therefore, all these costs add up to $8,300 as our initial cost. As for our future outlook for Zotwheels, we expect to reach our growth capacity by year 7, and by the end of the 7th year, we expect to have a matured system with full capacity, which includes 50 locations total on and off campus, with a total of 1,000 bikes.